All right. Great month last month, Miss Becca.
I know.
A lot of new trades.
People
we
on
have inventory back in.
Vacation.
I got
That's the
vacation
biggest
next
thing.
week. I'm going on vacation, but we want to sell some cars. We get a lot of trades coming in. The new trucks are finally landing. 3500s, 4500s. This is easy. We should be doing this all the time.
I know.
Let's give some stuff away today.
Yeah.
Buy two, get one free, or I don't know.
Something like that.
We'll have to get some good deals, good promotions going.
Hey, what's going on here? You guys take it over? Let me pull up a chair. You slide over. Manny, grab that chair.
Yeah.
Looks like we got some help this week.
Let's
Yeah.
have a party.
Yeah. What are you guys talking about? I got you in the chair.
We were just talking about maybe some spiffs to the salespeople.
Oh,
yeah,
why not? Yeah. Hey, did you sell that motorhome or what's the deal?
Yeah,
You did?
motorhome's gone.
Okay, motorhome's gone.
Yeah, motorhome's
Cool,
gone.
cool.
All the 19s are gone. 21s are landing.
Yeah. Woo! Exciting stuff, isn't it? Why are you guys so tight? This is where we're relaxed here. We're
You
chill.
guys
We're
say
having a good
something
time.
that you
Yeah,
shouldn't have.
yeah. You guys give away anything?
Well, it's all Becca.
Well, we were
talking
talking
about
about
vacation.
that.
I was wondering where I was
buy
downstairs
two,
looking
get
for
one
you
free,
guys.
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah.
Buy one, get one free?
Yeah.
What is that? We giving away mugs or something?
I thought maybe
What,
give something to the
balloons?
salesperson and then give the customer
Salesperson?
a better deal.
So, Jay, you're kind of the salesperson of the month already, aren't you, buddy?
I hope so.
We're excited. We got a couple salespeople that joined us this week, salespersons and saleswomen.
Jason.
So, Jason
Becca.
and Becca. Woo! Newport Chevy. Woo!
Yabba dabba doo.